So previously I was trying to use a previous theory in quantum entanglement to explain the reason why firstly light would affect the rate at which we evolve and the attributes that animals and plants gain through evolution as a process of light literally physically transforming chemical nature into an information-based system that conveys messages as structures. In this reality here, there are 8, each set of information provides provides a route in one direction where three different axes provide 8 possible directions, and the combinations of which can make several combinations of these 8 directions expressed as all of them moving randomly versus all of them moving in a single direction versus one of them moving in a single direction versus 2 of them moving in a single direction, and this can fluctuate to form a waveform that can take this shape. For example, and you can use, this is called the Fourier transform, which displays the Fourier series of a function as a, which is given by this, which as a graph, and you can see this appear in mountains, different striations in rocks, as well as the height of different sorts of animals, and even something as simple as the leaves of plants. There's also a polar representation of this transform, which I should explain eventually. So in this planet we have 2 genders for all animals, which follows this graph. 2, which means X and Y are both moving in tandem with each other, but there is a third element that is moving at random. I think this has to do with the definition of the Earth revolving, of the different revolutions. There are set given ratios of force traveling in a specific direction, where light somehow coalesces in given locations upon incidence of the Earth. And when these incidents are stretched out, they're expressed in various different forms of structures. So this reflects back to the idea that the universe is some sort of computer. I would explain that this way. Technically, any sort of universe follows a certain given element of computation. Um, this is any single given universe, which means even if this universe was in, or any other universe was inside of a computer, it does not make it any more or less a valid universe than if I just simply drew a box here. Me enclosing an area of paper inside ink makes it a universe. This object here is also a sort of universe, which is obviously a structure in this universe. So these things, so to me, these things do not make it any less of a universe. Whether it was appeared here, and it has not been appeared there, or something happened and it was transformed into a different shape. It does not make can equate to the birth of that universe, not specifically the death of this universe. Things like that.